guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do this eye look here. So let's get on to it. First things first, we're gonna use MAC Painterly Paint Pot as an eyeshadow primer all over the lid. For this eye look, I chose BPerfect's Carnival palette, and I'll start with the transition shades with Naked and Basic. As you can see, I'm applying it with a fluffy brush, so it's well diffused. Come on closer so you can see it better. Now I'll take the shade Sky and apply it to the outer corner and the crease. First, I'm packing the shade there. After I get the desired pigmentation, I'll start blending it out, as you can see. Now I'm taking the shade Mood and applying it strictly on the crease line and on the outer corner, the edge, just so it gives the look some dimension. And again, blending it all out so it looks seamless as possible. Now that I'm done applying the crease and outer corner shades, on a small packing brush I will take some concealer and carve out my lid. As you can see, I'm carving it out a bit more than halfway because I want to use 3 shades. Now I'm taking Moony, Breezy, and Recharge. And I'll be placing it on top of the concealer one by one and from the lightest to the darkest shade. Right now I'm placing Moony. Now I'm starting with Breezy. I'm also blending one shade into another, so it gives a gradient effect. And now finally Recharge. Now I'm reapplying Sky and Mood because I want to intensify it a bit more. Now with the wet wipe, I'm cleaning the edge and wiping the fallout so it doesn't mix in with the primer and foundation and ruin the base. This is a very important step. Now it's time to apply eyeshadow to the lower lash line. For that, I'm taking Sky and Mood and blending it out. And now it's time for the eyeliner. Today I'm using the Quick Flick in 10mm. What I like to do is just take the Quick Flick to stamp the wings And then I take my other liquid liner and apply it because I like applying it with the brush. It's easier for me. That's why I do it this way. And it's finally mascara time. For today's look, I chose ColourPop BFF's Volumizing Mascara. And let me tell you, I am loving this mascara right now. I love the effect that it gives to my lashes. Now I'm finishing off this look with some lip gloss. And that is all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love you.